1996 Bryant heat pump. Blades are actually spinning in this direction, but the screen on the camera makes it proceed slowly in this direction. And the serial number is 3496E23381. Model number 661CJ030/A. This one is also a Bryant. (1202E33095). So it's 2002. Model number 661CJX036000AAAA. So a 2002 Bryant. Is this a heat pump? I don't know if this is a heat pump. Yeah, this is a heat pump. '96 and 2002 Bryant heat pumps. And there is a really old Carrier, surrounded by bushes, so I can't exactly get back there. And there's another little Bryant over there. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. Here is the little Bryant. This appears to be just a straight cool unit from 2002. Serial number 2402E34284. Model number 561CJ024/E. And there appears to be a Goodman back here. Yeah, that is definitely a Goodman. Or Janitrol. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Oh, there's more over here. Pain. Oh, this one, serial number 4105X22562. And this one appears to be a heat pump. Also a heat pump. In this one, the serial number, also from 2005, serial number 4205X38158. And the product model number on this one is PH10JA024/G. Model number on this one, PH10JA036/J, and this one's a lot like the one back at the nursing home. Also a heat pump with bird shit on it. Serial number 1407X61509. Model number PH13NR036/C. See if there's any more before I shut off the camera. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.